In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where the currency tools live, how to switch symbols quickly, and a few helpful tips so your numbers look clean and professional. First, make sure you're looking at the ribbon across the top of Excel. On the Home tab, you'll find the Numbers area, sometimes labeled simply as Number. This is the control center for how values are displayed, including dates, percentages, and of course, currencies. Excel applies formatting to whatever you have selected, so keep in mind that the result will follow your current selection, whether that's a single cell, a range of cells, or an entire column. In that Numbers area, look for the button with a currency symbol. It's called Accounting Number Format. Instead of clicking the main button, click the small arrow next to it. That arrow opens a quick list of common currencies, so you can switch symbols in just a couple of clicks. This is the fastest way to apply a currency style without opening any extra dialogues. From the list that appears, choose the currency you want. As soon as you pick one, Excel updates the display of your selected cells. You'll notice it adds a currency symbol, aligns values neatly, and typically sets 2 decimal places. This change affects only how the numbers look, not the underlying values, so your formulas and totals will continue to work exactly as before. If your numbers don't change right away, double-check that you actually had the right cells selected. Also remember that Excel distinguishes between currency and accounting styles. The accounting format aligns symbols in a column and shows zeros as dashes, which is ideal for financial statements and reports. If you don't immediately see the symbol you need in the shortlist, Excel offers a much larger set of options where every locale and symbol is available, so you can match the exact region you're reporting for. When you're choosing, look for the country or region name to be sure you're picking the right version of a symbol that might be shared across multiple currencies. And if your values require a different level of precision, the increased decimal and decreased decimal buttons in the same numbers area can fine-tune how many digits show without changing the real values. That's all there is to it. Open the Numbers area on the Home tab, use the arrow on Accounting Number Format, and pick the currency you need. With that, your data will be clearer, more consistent, and ready for sharing or reporting.